Hi boys and girls, today's lesson we are going to be writing missing numbers to show correct order. So the first thing is to write your name at the top, and then I want you to find the numbers that go in these blanks. So if I'm counting and I say 11, 12, 13, what comes next? 14, 15, and then 16. This time we're starting on 14, we're not starting on 11, so let's count. 14, 15, 16, what comes next? 17, 18, then what? 19, very good. And finally 20. The next one we're starting on 12. So we're trying to start on different numbers so that we get lots of practice. So 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and this one would be 17. Good. What number are we starting on this time? 13, very good. So we go 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and then 19. Okay, we're starting on 14 again. 14, 15, and then what? 16, 17, 18, 19, and what's the last one? 20, very good. Okay, now we're starting on 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. Now this one, we have to figure out what number we're going to start on. So what number comes before 12? Yeah, it's 11, very good. And what number comes after 14? 15. Excellent job. Good work. Turn it over on the back. Now what you're going to do is you're going to need a crayon on this one. So you push pause on the video and get a crayon that you want to use. Okay. So now we're going to put the numbers in order from 0 to 20. So we need to decide. We're going to color 0. And then what number comes after 0? Yep, 1. So we're going to go this way. And what number comes after 1? 2. Then what number? 3. 3. Then what? 4. 5. Now we need to go 6, but then we also need a 7. So am I going to go to the left or to the right? Yeah, I'm going to go here because 6 and then 7. Then 8. Then 9. 10. What's after 10? 11. 12. Uh-oh. I got to go this way. 11. Why did I have to change? Yeah, there was no 13. 13. 14. What comes after 14? 15. 16. 17. 18. 19, and then our last number is going to be 20. Good job, boys and girls. You did great work today. I appreciate all of your hard work. So turn this into your teacher and then do what they would have you do next.